Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be trying the new prime strawberry watermelon. I love that.
Yep.
So
I am also recording. Well, welcome back to the Adventure of Grandpa. Before we get started, click subscribe and turn the bell notification and give us a huge thumbs up to the video.
also subscribe to my
Yep.
So excited.
It's a walkie soccer TV.
Okay, first, do you want to try it first?
Yep. I'll try it.
Okay, guys. Actually, you know what? We'll try it at the same time.
Yeah. We're gonna try it at the same time.
Okay, so ready? There you go. Okay, ready? 3,
Smells really good.
2, 1. It tastes just like strawberry and watermelon. It tastes.
That's a 10 out of 10. That's 10 out of 10 for sure.
10
Way
out of
better
10.
than Ice Pop.
I still like Ice Pop a little more. Actually, this is a 10 out of 10 Ice Pop, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
So yeah, see you guys in another one. Thanks for watching and go drink Prime.
Oh yeah. Can I also try like melon as well?
Sure.
Okay.
Press.
Sorry.
Okay, now we have Metamoon.
Yep, Moon is next. He's tried that already, right?
Yep, I've already tried it. It tastes.
Aren't you already up on it right now?
No, not now, but like, it is good. The best. It's like one of the best products.
Yep.
These are my top favorites. My third favorite, Metamoon. My second favorite, probably would be Tropical Punch.
Oh, tropical. I love tropical as
And
well.
then my two-face favorite is guess what?
Wait, what the heck?
There, I can't tell which one's better, Ice Pop or sorry, I just realized.
Lemon?
It's Ice Pop and Strawberry Watermelon are the best flavors I've ever tried of Prime. Yep. So, yep. I don't think there's anyone better than Ice Pop, unless they come out with another one. Yeah. Which is going to be probably better than. I hope it's like a 50 out of 10.
50 out of 10. 50 out of 10. Yeah, I'd say 50. Probably 100. But we haven't tried it yet.
Prime.
What do you think of them? Okay, now listen, these don't eat a lot. I'm going to get these snacks and then because some of this is for Harper for her dance.
Oh, okay.
So it's okay, we can have some, but some of them we have to save. They're good.
Why am I recording over the trash can? No, it's alright. It's alright. By the way, where is this guy? Sorry about the lighting. Look. About. Here, back. Sorry about the lighting, but we're outside right now, so it's gonna be like really bad lighting. We're going back inside, but the Prime is outside. But
I'm the smallest dog in town.
so my hand opened that door. Oh, this is my cup, right? It was.
Metamoon.
Hey, we got that moon. All right.
Wait, where's the one that you already started drinking?
It was.
I think it's upstairs. Okay.
So this one's mine.
Yeah? Metamoon.
Can you open this for me, Walker?
Here, one sec.
Is that mine? Is it mine or is that yours?
That's yours.
Okay.
very watery. Breaking news, KFC can't open Prime.
I had to let go because you were so funny, right?
Yeah, breaking news, KFC can't open Prime.
You did it again, but this is definitely
Yeah, where they go? Beep.
this
but
is
they do-
definitely the 50 out of 10 he was talking about.
You like it?
Love it. It's the best so far. It's the best so far.
My favorite.
Alright, finished.
I love Logan Paul. And KSI, there's nothing better than Prime.
Yeah.
This is like the best.
Joe KSI said I can't do math, but I can punch. Alright. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And subscribe to my channel and Walkie Tracker TV.
And also, go eat Arby's.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know why. I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace.
Bye.